Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Sarah Diamond.
And I'm Casey Marler. It's a growing medical issue throughout our country, tick bites and Lyme disease. According to data from the CDC, more ER visits involving tick bites have been the trend for 2025. This is the highest national average in 5 years for the issue.
News Channel 11's Karen Jenkins spoke with local experts on tick safety and what to watch out for if you're bitten.
Ballot health officials have reported an increase in Lyme disease cases so far this summer, but it's too early to tell if that trend will continue. Of all the critters in the woods, one of the smallest is causing an increase in ER visits this summer. That's according to the Center for Disease Control. Haley Gray is someone who knows firsthand about ticks.
And I was just laying in bed, brushing my hair, and I found a tick on myself, and it wasn't embedded or anything. I got it out before anything crazy happened, but it was quite disgusting.
Not only disgusting, but possibly dangerous. Tick bites can lead to a number of tick-borne illnesses, Lyme disease being one that's most often seen here.
Every year we have Lyme cases, other tick-borne diseases. We have reported a few more this June compared to last June. It's a little early in the season to know, is that going to be a true increase or is it going to be level out, just an early start and then level out for the season?
But not all tick encounters are a reason for an ER visit. Swift says if you find a tick, it's important to mark the date and then keep an eye on any symptoms of illness in the weeks to come.
Because typically your symptoms are going to start anywhere from 7 days to 30 days afterwards. When you'll want to seek medical care is if you start having those cold-like symptoms, if you have fever, muscle aches, fatigue. I know a lot of people know with Lyme disease you get that bullseye rash.
Tick bite prevention starts before you enter the outdoors. Swift says even though it's hot, keeping as much of your skin covered as possible will help. Light-colored clothing is best, simply to be able to spot any ticks. Use tick repellent, and most importantly, check yourself and your dogs after being outside.
I do make it a cautious decision to check myself every time I take a shower or anything like that, especially if we've been in the woods and kind of walking around.
Our area is home to several types of ticks, and they do carry multiple types of tick-borne diseases. But with those preventative measures and just some awareness, it's no reason to not enjoy your summer. Reporting in Bristol, I'm Karen Jenkins, News Channel 11.
According to the CDC, these are some of the best ways to avoid ticks and tick bites. Know where to expect them. Ticks live in grassy, brushy, or wooded areas, even on animals. Spending time outside walking your dog, camping, gardening, hunting could bring you into close contact with ticks. Many people have them in their own yard or neighborhood. Treat clothing and gear with products containing 0.5% permethrin. It can be used to treat boots, clothing, camping gear, and remain protective through several washings. You can also buy permethrin-treated clothing and gear. Also, obviously, avoid contact with ticks, wooded and brushy areas if you can, and high grass and leaf litter.